The president of the United Democratic Party, Metbah Lyngdoh, had officially welcomed retired Director of Health Services MI, Dr Aman War, at a function that was held at the Khasi National Dorbar Hall, Shillong, on the 6th of July 2022. The day also marked the birth anniversary of the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference, APHLC, that was constituted in 1960. The UDP also announced the candidature of Dr Aman War, who will be contesting the 2023 Assembly elections from North Shillong Constituency. Dignitaries present included Cabinet Minister Karmen Shila, Working President of the UDP Paul Lyngdoh, Vice President of the party Alantri F. Dakhar, the General Secretary of the party Jemino Mautho, the MLA of Mauplang Constituency Eugene San Lyngdoh, MLA from Shela Constituency Balajit Sanrem, President of the UDP North Shillong Block Joe Marwen, besides MDCs and party supporters. On the same day, the party office of the UDP North Shillong Block was also inaugurated prior to the official function. Speaking during the function, State President of the UDP and also Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, appealed to the public to support Dr Aman War as a candidate of the UDP during the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections of 2023. While informing that the party will be fielding candidates from the Garo Hills, Lyngdoh expressed confidence in the UDP securing a majority of seats in the 2023 elections.
Such took a weekend.
Last time Ploy palit and organize. Yala kitong di party. Hagi jaka ki pagkero na state ko away. Nga sokmen, but there's no man ong bang i parang non-legitimate. Ya kejai penerima jungi, kejai penerima rumong kibadan hari ini state jungi. Kaya kemengi don't come, ngide ia kaban snow happy. Pada somalong ani, papi baru bewan ani kapuan, lakukan kuno ngambil di atas tesu. Pidai kinong tray, bagi kinong kita juga party. Let's say we are, we don't want snap, let's say we are going to use ya biru, ngaya mereka dengan sila na kalong kepala, join no patapaki, one no wanita dekat, kali keterima dengan Islam ke pemerintah, kalau ke Islam ke pekelah kata, apa ia selalu senai, pada organize kita parti. BUE hagi social media, ayu kerja, ayu kalong, ayu kaman dia kapati. Hagi poll di berada, hagi snap di berada, hagi term election di berada, hagi election di konstitusi per. Ngilai penyawai di paiba, kabon kejaka, kabon beta, kabon kejaka, kabon ai jikirman. Kabon kejaka, kawapen diau, pat kawapen atatin ke kapati ini. Nrai mentar kene dikati. Ngayon ini, palimba kene dikati, borba itu ginoyang di mana nak kapati. Kapag kuat kan admit mentakasi, ginoyang di mana nak kapati ini. Ngidon katin kawabiang mah, ya kawan penyai ya kapati nangis.
The official candidate of the UDP for the 2023 Legislative Assembly elections from North Shillong, Dr Aman War, in his address informed that since his retirement from 37 years of government service, he has been working to strengthen the party in his constituency. At the same time, he admitted to the fact that he lacks political experience but is willing to work hard through the support of party workers and through mentorship of leaders of the UDP.
We embrace that past. It is now time to forge ahead, to work together and lift our state to the stature that it deserves in all fields. Kami the task is not easy, considering the current state it is in. But I promise that I will work diligently, and with your support and encouragement, I may be considered now to be a rookie. Nada ita mo kena hatakam sima kumakalang mental. I am ready and willing to learn from the best leaders present here today. The best leaders we have got here today.